In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way through QuickBooks to manage and create invoices efficiently. Whether you're a small business owner or managing your personal finances, understanding how to make the most out of QuickBooks can significantly streamline your accounting process. First, let's kick things off by heading over to the QuickBooks homepage. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. The homepage is your central hub and will offer you a clear view of your financial state, including cash flow and outstanding invoices. This convenient dashboard allows you to swiftly navigate to different parts of the system, and for today, we're focusing specifically on invoices. Once you're on the homepage, find the Invoices section on the navigation panel. Click on it. This will redirect you to a page where all your invoices are listed. It's a great way to get an overview of any sent, received, or pending payments you might have. From this screen, you can also perform various tasks related to your invoices, like creating new ones or managing the existing ones. Next up, you should see a drop-down box, which enables you to access more options regarding your invoice management. Clicking on this will reveal several choices. For the task at hand, we'll concentrate on two primary functions: importing invoices and creating new ones. To begin with, let's talk about importing invoices. Many businesses have their invoices stored in other formats or apps. QuickBooks makes this part simple and easy, eliminating the need for manual entry. By selecting Import Invoices from the drop-down menu, you will open up the tool that helps you bring in your external invoices directly into QuickBooks. Offering support for various file types, the system can help you streamline the data transfer, saving you both time and effort. Now, let's look at how you can create a new invoice within QuickBooks. Also available in the drop-down menu, select Create Invoice. This feature allows you to generate a new invoice from scratch. Inputting the necessary details such as client information, product or service offered, and any specific terms, this tool has been designed keeping user-friendliness in mind. It's an efficient solution for those one-time invoices or for small businesses handling a smaller number of transactions. And there you have it. You now know how to navigate QuickBooks to access, import, and create invoices effectively. Understanding these essential functions can not only enhance how you manage your finances, but also contribute to the seamless running of your business operations. Thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing these steps, and soon enough, managing your invoices will become second nature. So I am excited. See you in the next video.